There's over 50 crochet items in this box, and today I'm going to show you every last one of them. So coming in strong, starting off with our Lakers hats. Most of these items are hats, by the way. I'm going to start the count now, so I only have one of those. If I have multiple, I'll let you guys know. The next one we have is this super cute aqua hat. Again, I only have one of these. This is a frilly bucket hat. This is actually my frilly crochet hat tutorial up on my channel, and I actually have two of them, and this increases our count by 2. So we got two of this new version of my sunflower hats. So I do have a older version or a other version, but for this count we have 2 more. Next we just have a all dark navy blue crochet granny square hat. One of these. I will have to jump in and do a voiceover at sometimes because I was way too excited and talking way too much, but I was basically saying I put these frilly hats in a different category than the first frilly hats I showed you because I often put appliques like of mushrooms on this hat. But let's go ahead and increase the count by 3. So the next hat here is really like a statement piece. It was made out of scrap yarn. I only have one of these, so let's add 1 to the count. Another rendition of a granny square hat in dark navy and white. 1. So next up I have these Starburst bucket hats. You can see here I'm just so happy and excited about them. It's funny because in this clip I'm actually talking about how I'm obsessed with the blue version of the hat. This is actually before I started making the shorts in my crochet scrap yarn shorts video. So it's just funny to watch this back because I didn't know that making this hat was actually going to cause me issues later when I wanted to make my shorts. But let's go ahead and add 3 to the count. Next we have beanies. So I have this checkered beanie and then just this all black beanie. Unfortunately, I actually had another beanie, but I had to take it apart. And that's because the beanie had the blue color that I needed to make the shorts that I also needed to make this hat. I'm on a journey to like use up all of the yarn I already have, so that's why I couldn't buy more yarn to complete the projects, but let's go ahead and add 2 to the count. So next I'm just over explaining why I have so many of these hats, and to this day it still baffles me. So I just didn't realize how much little of that ombre color I needed to create this pattern, and I just ended up with a bunch of hats. So we can go ahead and add 7 to the count. Moving back into our flower theme, I love this Daisy hat. I couldn't make more because the colors I like to make it in, I don't have the yarn, and like I said, I'm not buying any more yarn, so let's add 1 to the count. So next we have these smiley hats and add 3 to the count. So here I have this black and white hat. I think it's super cool. Let's add 1 to the count. So this is a star hat. I only have one of these. I made this alongside with a moon hat, but the moon hat has already actually been sewed. I only have one of these. Okay, so these, I'm just really new to making bags. This was actually part of my 2024 crochet goals. So I have 2 bags. So for this next hat, I don't even have enough mannequins to show you how many of them I have. I have 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 white, and then 3 of the color, so that's 10. Next we have the brown granny square bucket hat. I'm gonna add 4 to the count. 2 of these black and white granny square hats. If you look closely, these hats are not done. They don't have my tags on it, and they just have some ends out. Finished these in the last 2 days. Okay, so those are all the main items, and now this is going to be like a bonus part of the video where I show you accessories, and then I show you items that I've had for a while that I may sell or may not sell, or I might just frog them and turn them into something else. We have keychains. Oh, and this one is actually a car hanger. So when you're driving, it's just like the little bee and the flower. So I have a car hanger, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 keychains and a plushie. So that will be like 8 accessories. Leave my little friend over here for the rest of the video. And now I'm basically just showing you 2 ski masks that I made when these were really popular and had a lot of requests to make them. I'm pretty sure I'm going to end up frogging these. I don't think I'm going to sell them. And next I have some bralettes. I actually wasn't keeping count, so I'm actually figuring out how many items are in this box alongside with you. But I have this green bralette, a red bralette, and a butterfly top, and that's basically everything. It looks like our final number is coming out to 67. I would have never guessed that. And I don't know if I made it clear, I made all these items for a market that I was going to, But that's the end of this inventory. I just wanted to see how much was in the box. Really, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.